To add Apple Pay to your Shopify store, start by ensuring your business is eligible for the service. Your store must be based in a supported country and have a compatible payment gateway such as Stripe or Authorize.net. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Payments to view your current payment options. In the Payment Providers section, click on Add Payment Provider and search for Apple Pay. Once you have selected Apple Pay, you will be prompted to connect your payment provider. If you are using a compatible payment gateway, you can simply click Connect and follow the prompts to link your account. If you do not have a compatible payment gateway, you will need to set one up. Shopify recommends using Stripe as it is easy to set up and integrates well with Apple Pay. After connecting your payment provider, you will need to verify your business information. This includes your business name, address, and phone number. Make sure this information is accurate as it will be used to verify your business with Apple. Once your business information has been verified, you can enable Apple Pay on your store. Go back to the Payments section and click on Edit next to Apple Pay. Toggle the Enable button to turn Apple Pay on. To test Apple Pay, navigate to your store's checkout page and select Apple Pay as your payment method. You will be prompted to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Best practices for using Apple Pay on your Shopify store include ensuring your store is optimized for mobile devices. As Apple Pay is primarily used on mobile devices, you should also clearly display the Apple Pay logo on your store to let customers know the payment option is available. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay to your Shopify store and provide your customers with a convenient and secure payment option. This can help increase sales and improve the overall customer experience on your store.